So I have this package here, and this is supposed to be the Comica EJoy condenser dynamic microphone. So this is a package here, and I want to unbox this package and basically do a test of this microphone. So this is how it came packed, and I got this from AliExpress. So I'm just going to unbox this stuff, and then we are going to see what this mic looks like and do a full test of the audio quality of this mic. So I have my scissors here, and I'm going to tear it open. So this is it right here. This is called the Comica professional audio equipment. So it's called the EJoy D10 Pro. It's an RGB cardioid dynamic. It's a wireless microphone, and it has a lot of things. So you can use it with your phone, your computer, your console, and I don't really know what that is. So this color is black. I think it comes in black or white, and then I got the white, the black. So it says it's an innovative wired, and it has innovative wired and wireless modes, which means you can use this without wires. That means it should have some inbuilt battery there. So it uses a cardioid pattern. It also has the XLR and USB outputs, and then it has the CalMix denoise, and then it's 48 kilohertz by 24 bits recording. So here it says it also supports 4-level gain control, large diaphragm dynamic microphone, dynamic radiant RGB light, supports 3 EQ modes, and it can last up to 45 hours in wireless mode. And this is a lot of promise. And I'm excited. I'm excited for this. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to open it now, and then we can do a proper test. So this is the unboxing of the mic. It comes with a user manual and a code, the scan code here. And then inside, this is, I think it comes with a stand. This is the base, and this is quite heavy. This is purely metal. It's heavy. I don't have something to weight with, but it's very heavy. And then this is the mic itself. And this is supposed to be an extension for the desktop stand, and these are the cables, or this is the cable. I think I have just one cable right here, and that's basically it. So we have just this stuff right here, and that's all you get inside of the box, and we are done. So again, this is the mic, the stand, the mic stand, and I can just clip it. I should be able to just clip it right here. This is actually very heavy, I must say. So I think it should go in this way. So this is the stand, and the base, this is the highest it can go. It's not bad. That's a very smooth touch for them adding it right here. So it's heavy. I can keep it on my table. So this is a mic itself, and it has this arm right here, which you can rotate. And remember, this is supposed to be a wireless mic. So it has this stuff that you can connect to your computer. This is what you use for it to be wireless. So this is supposed to be some sort of, I think maybe Bluetooth or something like that. So it's nice touch. You can basically loosen this and rotate it as you want. And this is a mic. So it's not very heavy, which is sort of surprising. I think right here is plastic. It has the foam right here. And this is supposed to be the RGB lights. So I don't know if I can. Oh, I can. So this is the mic. That's the capsule right there. So this is metal, and this is the RGB. So it has some buttons. This is the mic gain. It has some stuff right here. At the bottom, this is where we start to find everything it promises us. Like it has a EQ button. This is the RGB light, the SLR, the USB-C, and the headphone monitoring. and all of that. So I'm going to connect this and I'm going to try to do an audio test for this and just tell you what I think about this mic, if you should buy it or not. So overall, the quality is not that bad. I think this is plastic. I'm not sure, but right here you have the name EJoy D10 Pro, and you have the Comica brand right here. So I'm going to connect this to my phone and then my computer to see what it looks like or how it works.